Hello everyone, I'm Sia from Lonsdor. Today I will show you how to use K518 Pro to program 2022 Buick Regal Smart Key. Now we need to prepare K518 Pro OBD communication cable and choose Smart Key to be programmed. Now let's plug in the OBD communication cable.
The first step is to choose to generate Smart Key. Buick. Choose Regal. Select the menu of the Buick 46 keys for 2017 to 2023. Put our key in the card slot. Click Generation. OK. Generated successfully. OK. Return to main menu. The second step is to select IMO and remote. Choose Buick. China. Choose Regal. After 2017, Smart Key. First we read the PIN code. PIN code reads successfully. OK. The second step is to choose all Smart Key locks. Press the Start button. OK. Follow the prompts to find the sensing area. Put the first key with the programming key into the sensing area. Click OK. The PIN code is automatically entered. OK. PIN code being verified. OK. Configuring system. You need to wait about 10 minutes. Delete complete. OK. Press the Start button. OK. Program complete. Does it program the next one? Click OK. Put another key into the sensing area. OK. Press the Start button again. OK. Program complete. No need to program the next one. Click Cancel. Turn off the ignition. Make sure the ignition is off. OK. After clicking the OK button, press and hold the Start button for 12 seconds. Release the Start button. Click OK. Long press the Start button to turn on the ignition switch. Turn off the ignition. Make sure the ignition is off. OK. Hit the brakes. Press the Start button. Start the engine. Turn off the ignition. Make sure the ignition is off. Remove the key. Press the lock and unlock button. Click OK when done. There are no other keys to program. Click Cancel. Program complete. OK. Let's try it. Can the key start the vehicle normally? The first key. Hit the brakes. Press the Start button. The first key to start the car successfully. The second key. Hit the brakes. Press the Start button. The second key to start the car successfully. Let's try the remote again. Is it normal? The first key locks the car and unlocks it. The second key locks the car and unlocks it.
Program successfully. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate. More spread ahead.